Chapter 1, Part 12. Sultan had a governor of his childhood still living, the Emir Bedruddin Gehurtash, commonly known as the Dizdar Castellan, whom he held in great esteem. One day, as Baha'u'llah was lecturing in the mosque, in the presence of the Sultan and his court, he suddenly called upon the Dizdar to recite any 10 verses of the Quran, saying he would then expound them to the congregation. The Dizdar, having been admiring the eloquence of the preacher's expositions, upon this sudden call, without the slightest hesitation, and without ever having committed them to memory, he recited the first 10 verses of chapter 23. The believers have attained prosperity, and so on. You know, surah, look up surah on my channel and you'll see whichever translations I have up. Which Baha forthwith explained in such a manner as to draw down the plaudits of the assembly. Dizdar, with the Sultan's permission, went to the foot of the pulpit and declared himself a disciple of Baha. Then said the preacher, as a thank offering for this happy event, do thou build and endow a college, where my descendants shall teach their disciples after me. The Dizdar did so and richly endowed it. This is the college where Jalaluddin afterwards lived. When the Dizdar died, he left all his possessions to enrich the foundation. See chapter 3, number 69. Okay, well, I mean footnote 69, or is there that many parts of that one? But, well, sometimes one of the more important things is not the amount of memorized, is the amount understood.